Now to team coverage of the coronavirus tonight as the pandemic is affecting families and businesses in our area. Audrey Russo is getting answers on how daycare centers and local families are adapting to the week of school closures. But we begin with Sarah Granelli, who joins us live from Springfield, digging deeper into how bartenders and wait staff are impacted by the restaurant and bar closures. Sarah?
Beth, as you can see, Max's Tavern behind me is closed. That means employees in there no longer have work for at least 3 weeks. So today we checked in with a state representative who says the state filed new legislation for unemployment. Many workers across the state are forced to stay home because of the coronavirus outbreak.
We know that a lot of people are going to be filing for unemployment insurance. We're hoping it's temporary unemployment insurance, but at the same time, it's really important those claims get processed quickly.
The governor of Massachusetts filed legislation to help speed up the process for applying for unemployment. Western Mass News spoke with State Representative Lindsay Sabadoza about the proposal.
The governor filed legislation that would waive the 1-week waiting period for people when they're filing claims. It would expand eligibility, and it would also make sure that claims are processed in an expedited manner for first-time clients.
A big concern is for people who work in the restaurant and bar industry and others who rely on tips. In the state of Massachusetts, those who collect unemployment only get 50% of their average weekly wage. Sabadoza says that could leave about 300,000 people in the state strapped for cash.
We're trying to figure out ways that we can improve that. There's been legislation filed just today that talks about cash assistance for people. I know that the Bartenders Association in the United States is putting out information for bartenders to try to help them, but we do need to figure out how we make sure that people can pay their rent.
That's something employees at Max's Tavern may have to turn to since their doors are closed for at least 3 weeks.
Financially, it's going to be devastating. There's no doubt about it. There's not something that you can ever come back from without having people in the door. You're not bringing anybody in. You're not bringing any money in. It's you can't pay any of the employees. So it's devastating to our staff and pretty much everybody that's around.
And the governor is urging anyone without work to apply online for unemployment benefits. Live in Springfield, Sarah Granelli, Western Mass News.